Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make a filet of fish sandwich. If you love the fish sandwiches at McDonald's, stay tuned so you can learn how to make your own at home. Old Bay, salt, pepper, parsley, garlic powder, cheese, Dijon mustard, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs, and of course some brioche buns and some cod fillets. You want to get those 2 eggs into a bowl, and you want to go ahead and add a little bit of hot sauce. Then you want to add a little bit of Dijon mustard, about a teaspoon, and then you want to give it a good old mix. Now you want to make sure you season your fish front and back. You want to get about a teaspoon of seasonings and place it on the front and back and make sure it's evenly coated to make sure your fish has a lot of flavor. Now today I am actually going to bake this, but you can definitely fry them. I was trying to take a healthier route and bake them, but you can definitely fry them. You want to get your breadcrumbs. You can get whatever kind of breadcrumbs you want, or Panko breadcrumbs, seasoned breadcrumbs, whatever works for you. You want to get your lineup ready. You want to get the fish, dip it in the eggs, then dip it in the breadcrumbs, and then place it on the rack and let it sit while you coat the rest of the fillets. If you are baking these, you want to put them in the oven for 45 to an hour. You want to spray your fish with cooking spray. You want to set that oven to 350. Make sure you toast your brioche buns, and then you want to grab some tartar sauce and some cheese, and there you go. You can fry this like I said, but this is what it looks like at the end. Tartar sauce, cheese, and now you know how to make a fillet of fish at home. If you complete this recipe, leave a comment below, and please be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and I will see you in the next one.